So I finally got my Celica in the garage, and the next step that I want to take on it is to start removing more of the interior. I already have the back portion pretty much gone. I still have sound deadening and stuff that I need to remove. But the front I haven't started to really take stuff out yet, so that is what I'm going to start with. Got a quarter. And a dime. Looks like the driver's seat has a sensor in the seat, so it knows when you're sitting in it. Probably a seatbelt alarm. I can't remember. I'm gonna need to take this plastic piece off first. And it looks like I have my first really rusty screw way up here. The head's basically gone, so let's see if I can finish it off. So it's in there a little better than I thought. I'm gonna just grab some pliers and try to twist it. There we go. Focus. Yeah, you get the idea. There's the wire I was talking about. Lots of spare change. If I keep this up, I'll be able to build 2 rally cars. Okay. So here's where I was kind of worried about rust. There's definitely some rust there. It's pretty crunchy. Not really going through. Sounds funny because there's some seam sealer around that. So yeah, I'll have to get this sound deadener out and see how bad this is. Do that after I have the rest of the interior out. We still have the front carpet, what's left of center console out of a newer Celica. I can't remember what year, 81 or something, that I kind of mocked up in there because the original one disintegrated. Not sure what I'm going to do with the dash yet, if that's coming out or if I'm going to try to use it. So yeah, I'll keep working on the interior here. Okay, what I'm dealing with here is, I don't know if you can see that or not, but the gas pedal is bolted with 2 bolts to the floor. So I either need to figure out how to get behind there and unbolt it from the floor, or it looks like it might be easier to pull the rod that it's attached to out if I unbolt it from the firewall. So I'm going to try unbolting it from the firewall first. There we go. Well, the camera battery died on me, so I'll show you what I did in another video. Thanks for watching.